Hi. Welcome to What is School of Languages once again. I promised to bring you the French alphabets. We are done with the part 1. This is the part 2. We are going to read or learn the sounds in isolation. French alphabet, how they sound in isolation. Kindly listen and repeat after me. This is how the letters sound when you read it in isolation. Let's have a look at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In the previous video, we gave you the alphabets, the letters themselves. But here, you don't have any letter, but it's the sound. The sound that you heard in the first video is translated here through these letters. So you can see that for the first letter, A, the A is there. The B, it was just one letter, but because of the sound, you can see we have 2 letters here. So it sounds B. I'm reading B. Can you repeat? C. In the alphabet, you see that it was not like this. It was just a letter. But now we have S and E. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Your tongue, you roll over. R is not L, R, like Robert. Some people will say Robert. It's R. S, T, U. You see the U? This is the sound. It's not Y, but it's the sound that you see. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The Y is the Y. But look at the spelling here, because of the sound. So we are giving you the sound of the letters. That's why we said, this is how they sound in isolation. Z. Let's go for the last reading. A. Can you repeat? A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. I said it, R. Your tongue must roll over. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is how the letters sound in isolation. You can repeat, replay the video, and practice more so that you'll be familiar with the pronunciation or with the sounds. Thank you very much for watching. I invite you to the next class because you've not ended the French alphabet yet. Merci, au revoir, à la prochaine. Bye-bye.